I just got 3 more typewriters this weekend. Tell me, which one's your favorite? First up, the oldest, the Underwood Standard Typewriter number 5. Underwood made these from 1900 to 1932. And it was last patented in 1913. And it is seriously dirty inside. But it looks really cool from the side. Next up, this one. The Smith Corona Mark 1000 PWP, the Personal Word Processor. Woo! And this one's electric. I think this is from 1990, and it comes with a floppy disk drive. Yay! And last up, a Hermes 3000. This one's made in France, and the case even comes with its own little brush. And this one's clean. So it was $5, $5, and $2. And one last thing.